In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and clicking on this red button at the bottom to start recording. Then choose while using and allow in all pop-ups, and as you can see, your recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, pause it and click on this icon over here. Or leave it on paused and tap on the same one. If you want to end your recording and save it, pause it and click on the right button. To listen to it first, click on the left one. Now name it, hit save, and to play it, click on it here. Then manage it using all of those options. If you want to get rid of it, you need to hold it instead. Tap on Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!